Is it even feasible for AI to truly understand these cultural nuances, considering that even social media platforms have struggled with it? Do you believe that this level of cultural sensitivity is technologically achievable?
I do believe. So in short, if you want to know that whether it is possible or not, it is very, very much possible and it is very easy to implement. The only challenge is whether the tech companies or the tech giant or the big people who are behind development of this model, do they really want to do it? Why I'm saying this? India is a very, very diverse country. We have population double than the entire Europe. We have states, we have languages. If you take a random group of people, of all Indians, and pick two people of that, there are only 30% chances that they will be speaking the same language. There is a very beautiful Hindi quote I read when I was in school that "कोस कोस पे बदले पानी और चार कोस पे वाणी." Your language, your boli, your culture, your food styles, everything changes, and on a very, very short duration of 4 miles, 10 miles. This is how India so diverse it is. So, but the benefit of corporate, the benefit of big tech giants is not in inclusivity. They want to they deal with masses. They want to have a number of people doing the same thing on their platform so that they can generate revenue. This is the issue, not the other side. Now, when we talk about India, initially I saw when I was an initial very early user of Android, and we saw Hindi typing coming on Google, and Google Translator was coming. There were multiple flaws. They didn't know the difference between Ra and there are three type of Ra in Hindi Varnmala, and Google always got confused between which Ra to use, which Sha to use. So these are the basic elements of our Indian one language only. There are more than 1,000 languages. There are more in which people speak. There are more than 36 languages which are already listed in the constitution. Now, to develop a model, it takes a huge cost. It takes a huge time. So much of data is required. Who is going to invest in that? This is the issue. If that community is not big enough to generate revenue, why will a company, a tech giant who is already investing so much, would invest that amount in training that model? So this is the issue.